Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of seeing this channel, my name is Anastasia and this is my YouTube channel. So guys, make sure you watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe, share and turn on the post notification to know each time I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to bob your wigs. Maybe you have a wig that is 14 inches or 16 inches and you want to turn it to 10 inches or 12 inches bob wig. So firstly, you have to start by measuring your hair. Actually this is I think this is 16 inches bone straight and I wanted to bob it to 10 inches. Okay, so you have to mark your 10 inches where it stops and then you start trimming. You need to be very careful, guys. This is not something that you start rushing or something. You have to calm down and be very careful, because if you make a mistake, it is going to affect the length and the outcome of your wig. So guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure you watch it to the end and don't skip any part so that you'll be able to understand the video perfectly.
Will you be my leading lady? I wanna coach and get to know maybe. In the meantime, get some me time.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself.
So guys, after cutting off the hair, you will always have sometimes you get it perfectly, and sometimes some are going to be longer than some. Okay, you just have to still take your time, calm down and trim it off. Okay, so make sure you are calmed. You can see I decided to do it offline because they took the lights and I didn't want the video to be blurry or something like that. So you can see how it turned out. You have to calm down and cut it step by step. And after that, I like cutting it with scissors firstly so that it will be faster. And then because the clipper I have is very small, it's a very small clipper, so and this is a SDD bone straight. It's not like it's a double drum, so I wanted to get everything perfectly, and then after that I can trim with my clipper. So guys, let's go to the next section.
Let me take a chance. What you think with my heart in hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold you. Take time, gotta trust you. I let the truth. Got me questioning what I've done. It used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, but it's necessary. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. No, I wanna be around. You said you want me more, I didn't think you ever be so I can see I'm letting down my blood. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you never wanna drown, I need to hear me from you. Looking when you're on the time, but now don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me.
step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is hurting. Trying to make some similar change to me, a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me. On the wall, I leave my all my favorites. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind, hold me on my feet.
They just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you're my friend. I just wanna know if you're pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Yay! So guys, this is the outcome of the bob wig. You can see how it's looking. It is very fine, and I really took time to measure this wig because see the outcome now. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.